terms of credibility, giving credits, commercial aspects, needs to be changed. It's just not two people can't make an industry. There are hundreds of them. Maybe you have some friends who are doing dubbing work. Maybe he also has somebody who are interested in dubbing work. But is it the industry you can see your future? Time has changed a bit, but not the change we are expecting from it. So it will take some more time. And this film was also it was an eye-opener for a lot of people who conceive Sharad Kelkar as only a very alpha male, strong, with heavy voice, a big build guy. So I think that was a try. I can do a softer character as well. I don't know why they can't conceive. Mr. Bachchan has done a lot of nice, sweet characters. So I can't. So that was a setback. नहीं, he's too strong for the character. Right? उसको समझ है बहुत. उसको बहुत समझ है, स्क्रिप्ट की बहुत समझ है, उसको कैरेक्टराइजेशन की बहुत समझ है और वो उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करता है. दैट इज़ द ब्यूटी अबाउट हिम. वो समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है कैरेक्टर्स को, वो डेप्थ में जाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड ही हैज़ दैट. उसका प्रोसेस बहुत अच्छा है. टैलेंटेड तो है ही, सभी जानते हैं. एंड माई विजन टूवर्ड्स मराठी इंडस्ट्री इज समथिंग डिफरेंट. People might not understand or they don't want to understand, or maybe some of the reasons. I want this industry to grow.
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टी वी टाइम्स. माय नेम इज़ नितेश पुजारी. आज के जो गेस्ट है उनके इंट्रोडक्शन के लिए मैं कुछ कहना चाहूँगा कि नॉर्मली बॉलीवुड स्टार्स को हम बोलते हैं नाम ही काफ़ी है, पर आज हमारे साथ जो एक्टर है उनका आवाज़ ही काफ़ी है. ही इज़ नन अदर देन शरद केलकर.
Thank you, Nitesh. Thank
वेलकम
you
टी
so
वी
much.
टाइम्स. सो टू स्टार्ट विथ, आई वुड लाइक टू start with in this interview with an anecdote that you always mention in this. You often mention that like this is a popular quote of Shah Rukh Khan, like I work more than I paid for.
Yeah.
So how this is relevant now? How much you are using it for now current situation?
Always use it in my life also. देखिए कैसा है वो कि अगर मैं किसी के लिए काम कर रहा हूँ, उसका पैसा देना उनके हाथ में और काम करना मेरे हाथ में. अब उसकी पैसे देने की नीयत या कैपेबिलिटी, जितने भी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव आपको एडजेक्टिव जोड़ने हैं आप जोड़ सकते हैं, बट पैसे देने वाला वो है, उसका एक लिमिट है देने का. बट काम करने का मेरे पास अनलिमिटेड एरिया है, तो मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि मैं उसको उसकी उम्मीद से ज़्यादा रिटर्न में दूँ, ताकि वो उसको लगे कि उसने जहाँ खर्चा किया है वो वर्थ है, या निराश नहीं करूँ उसे कम से कम. तो मेरा हमेशा वो रहता है, चाहे मैं एक्टिंग करूँ, चाहे मैं वॉइसिंग करूँ, चाहे मैं हमेशा जैसे मैंने कुछ रिकॉर्ड भी किया तो आई टेल देम कि इफ़ यू फाइंड एनीथिंग रॉन्ग प्लीज़ कॉल मी, आई कम एंड रीडअप इट, और मे बी अगर कुछ करेक्शंस है तो आई कम एंड करेक्ट इट. तो मेरा ऐसा नहीं होता कि एक बार कर दिया मैंने अब तो हो गया ना. तो मैं वो छोटी छोटी चीज़ ध्यान रखता हूँ ताकि यार सामने वाले अगर कुछ मुझे पे कर रहा है तो उसको उसका फुल सेटिस्फैक्शन मिले कि हाँ भाई मेरे को रिटर्न बराबर मिला.
So when we come to the series, it's a nostalgic moment for everybody. But you recently met as Rajmouli sir. What conversation you had with him?
Very less, obviously. He also speaks very less, but the sharing stage with him was an experience. Listening to him so much about films and animation and about his thoughts about the film, very different experience. How a visionary, when he narrates something or when he tells you something, it's a thing to hear, to listen. And then obviously we spoke thoda bahut yahan wahan ka, but it was fun, more of an experience, and how humble he is in that. And so that was a good experience. Obviously I worked with him. He used to come for dubbings, and he used to at least talk for half an hour every day on the dub, how it went. He used to listen to the dub. All that we have done, but for a long time we couldn't meet or talk to each other. Maybe after I think 2 years we met again. We met in someone's, I think Mr. Gada's function, but uske baad mile nahi the, so I met him and it was a nice moment between us.
If I'm not wrong, I want to ask you, like the way you started with the dubbing, you changed the perspective in the industry, like the factor it was earlier consideration. So now the time has changed, like way we see Tejas Talpade dubbing for Allu Arjun. So what do you see, how is it now currently going? What is
I
your
think
take?
we too can't change the scenario. It still needs to be changed in terms of credibility, giving credits, commercial aspects. needs to be changed. It's just not two people can't make an industry. There are hundreds of them. Maybe you have some friends who are doing dubbing work. Maybe he also has somebody who are interested in dubbing work. But is it the industry you can see your future? It's a collaborative effort which we all have to take, and we have to stand by each other. So the need is there. The time has changed a bit, but not the change we are expecting from it. So it will take some more time.
You did a beautiful film of Shrikant recently, and when I asked you for the character, not the character, but the way you accepted that role, and you took the remuneration of 101 rupees. So what was that? I mean, what made you that
यार
after
उसकी
the
बात नहीं
narration?
करते अभी because again
एक
we are
point
नहीं
आप
यार
share
it's
करें।
I love the story.
Yeah.
तुषार is a friend and as I said कि काम चलता रहेगा यार, दोस्त बहुत कम मिलते हैं, बहुत कम साथ रहते हैं. So it's for तुषार basically, nothing else. यार मैं ऐसा सोचता नहीं हूँ. मुझे कहानी पसंद है, फिल्म करनी है तो I'll do it यार. मतलब ऐसे नहीं, पहले भी कई बार मैंने लोगों के लिए किया है. मुझे पसंद आना चाहिए तो मैं कर देता हूँ. एंड ही ऑल्सो जस्टिफाई द रोल. ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ भी काम करवा लिया मुझसे. आई एम गेटिंग माई ड्यूज वॉट आई expected from the film. People are liking the character, appreciating, and this film was also it was an eye opener for a lot of people who conceive Sharad Kelkar as only a very alpha male, strong, with heavy voice, a big built guy. So I think that was a try. Let's see.
You also mentioned that everybody appreciate your voice, but at the same time, once you mentioned that this voice always there is a setback for you. Like you heard, so you got a lot of problems with that, but you didn't mention
And
anything
people
about
don't think that I can do a softer character as well. I don't know why they can't conceive. Mr. Bachchan has done a lot of nice, sweet characters. So I can't. So that was a setback. No, he's too strong for the character. Give me a chance. I'll prove that I can do a softer, nice character, and I have done it in my past also. So it's not necessary that I'm an actor ultimately. I can do what is been given to me, or I can go beyond that also.
How was working with Rajkumar Rao? I mean,
अरे he's a वो टैलेंट का भंडार है उधर. ही इज़ अ वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग गाय. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं सिर्फ टैलेंट पे नहीं बोलूँगा, बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग भी है. उसको समझ है बहुत, उसको बहुत समझ है, स्क्रिप्ट की बहुत समझ है, उसको कैरेक्टराइजेशन की बहुत समझ है, और वो उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करता है. दैट इज़ द ब्यूटी अबाउट हिम. वो समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है कैरेक्टर्स को, वो डेप्थ में जाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड ही हैज़ दैट उसका प्रोसेस बहुत अच्छा है. टैलेंटेड तो है ही, सभी जानते हैं. एंड एक और इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है कि हिज चॉइस ऑफ स्क्रिप्ट्स बहुत अच्छी हैं, और उसको मिलती भी हैं अपॉर्चुनिटीज. मतलब तो बहुत अच्छा एक्टर है यार वो. मतलब वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट वी हैव राइट नाउ.
so like when we go through your journey, it's an amazing and inspiration. So there are so many things, but the things what come out is the determination that you had. Like you had a problem of stammering, but you came out through exactly out of it. So what was that helped you, like not to get demoralized or not to get your confidence low? How did you do that in that point? Because now there are so many people who don't do it because they consider that they are demoralized for that. They don't have confidence. So what would you like to say that?
No, I'll tell you honestly, क्या होता है ना, मेरे डैड ने मुझे सिखाया लाइफ में एक चीज़, और शुरू से मैंने कभी अपने डैड को ऐसा सैड नहीं देखा कभी लाइफ में. सर सो आस्क हिम कि डैड हाउ, मैंने सब लोग डिप्रेस होते हैं, सब लोग ऐसे, आप मुस्कुराते रहते हो, ऐसा कैसे है? तो ये पास्ड अवे वेरी व्हेन आई वाज वेरी यंग. बट ही सेड कि बेटा ऑलवेज अप्लाई मैथ्स इन योर लाइफ. इफ़ यू गुड एट मैथ्स यू विल बी हैप्पी इन लाइफ. तो मैं हमेशा जो भी सिचुएशन होती है, जो भी प्रॉब्लम होती है, वहाँ मैं मैथ्स लगाता हूँ कि यार अगर ये सिचुएशन है, इधर इस सिचुएशन में, इस स्टेज पे, इस पॉइंट इन टाइम पे मेरे पास पॉजिटिव्स में क्या है और नेगेटिव्स में क्या है. चाहे वो कोई भी हो, चाहे वो स्टैमरी का इशू था, चाहे वो फिल्म फेल हो रही है, चाहे वो काम नहीं मिल रहा है, चाहे क्रिटिसिज्म मिल रहा है, जो भी है, मैं वहाँ उस टाइम लिखता हूँ. या बीवी दुखी है या बच्चा परेशान कर रहा है, मैं हमेशा ये बोलता हूँ कि उस टाइम मेरे पास पॉजिटिव क्या क्या है और नेगेटिव क्या है. मैं 100% देता हूँ गारंटी के साथ कि आपके पास पॉजिटिव ज़्यादा होंगे. देन यू हैव द योर आंसर कि इफ़ यू हैव मोर पॉजिटिव्स you should be happy about it. You can't be sorrow for these two things which you don't have. तो मेरे डैड ने मुझे सिखाया, और मैं अपनी बेटी को भी सिखाता हूँ कि बेटा मैथ्स में अच्छी हो जा, लाइफ सुधर जाएगी तेरी.
We know Shaurya Sarathkal from the small screen you have been doing, where you started the journey. So, from Marathi industry, you have been part of so many big films, whether it is Rakshas, Lai Bhari. So, you mentioned that there is still the acceptance of Sharad in the Marathi cinema is not that much that even you admitted that.
Hey, among
now.
I think among audience it has.
Yeah.
I have
Why is it?
acceptance.
Yeah.
People love me. I think after playing Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, I have seen that love for me as an actor in the whole Marathi, and I want to thank the whole Maharashtra and the people of Maharashtra who gave me so much of love, and I respect that. I think maybe within the industry, I think I haven't go, but because I haven't done so many films. I have done very less films. People here, actors, they do 3 to 4 films in a year. I have totally done 4 films in my life. So that might be a reason. And my vision towards Marathi industry is something different, which people might not understand or they don't want to understand, or maybe some of the reasons. I want this industry to grow. I want this industry to be maybe ahead of Telugu or Tamil or other regional languages. We are the pioneers of films, and we need to, in terms of content, yes, we are the best. In terms of business also, we should reach the sky.
Is that the reason Sharad Kelkar charges more remuneration that Marathi makers are not getting into this?
No, not really. A lot of people ask me. I don't
Yeah.
charge. I work in partnership here. I don't charge money. Yeah, see, none of my films have charged money. Honestly, I can say I come in their budget only. But I select my script, but I don't charge money. Understand? If you ask me this question, I can answer this. And a script needs certain kind of budgets. And when you write a script, I can clearly see that this film needs this kind of budget to look the way you have written. Correct? What I say, don't give me money. Put that money in production. Make this film much bigger. And later, if you get profit, give me a little share in that. People doesn't get they are not agreeing on that also. They just want to save money. And as I said, it's a business. Without risk, you can't do a business. I'm not saying give it to me. I said you put it in the film. Improve the quality. Whether it's a sound designing, whether it's VFX, whether it's your cameras, whether your DI, your post-production, your casting, improve that. Spend that money there. Don't give me. I'll take if the film makes a profit. I have that confidence and surety about the script that if you make the film as you have written, it will make profits. But they don't listen to me what to do.
To conclude with the one question that the way your journey is going, the way character you have been choosing, whether it is a protagonist or antagonist part, you have just marked the best characters you have choose. The way you, I mean, if I say that you are a very particular choosy about your character, so how has that evolved right now? What do you see now?
Yeah, it's changed long back. It was TV only. So, if you're doing the similar stuff now, obviously you will get money, fame, I think everything, but you will not grow as an actor. My hunger is towards that growth. I want to grow as an actor. I don't want to grow as a businessman or as a famous guy. I want to grow as an actor that people will remember, okay, fine, he had that craft and, so that's why I'm a little picky and choosy in terms of films. What new I'm getting to do in the film. Maybe it's a full-fledged film, full-fledged role, or it's a 10-minute or a half-an-hour role. I don't think about that. How important it is and what I am getting to do in this film. That is very important. So I think because of my ideology, I think I'm a little choosy and picky about work.
So one last, Hanuman is coming after this, and you are giving a voiceover to Ravan. So did you had the story back of the mind? The
No,
way
there are a
it
lot
was
of new
acted?
things which I didn't know, and while doing it, and when they send me the scripts, I get to know, and I keep on asking, "Arey, aisa tha, arey, acha tha, lovely." So it's a very interesting character. Ravan, normally it's a very monotonous character people have written. In this particular, they have different shades of Ravan, different relationship with different people, and the impact of this whole, इसको आप बोलते हैं क्या युद्ध कांड जो है उसका impact क्या है? You know, I got to know about so many things, and how many sons Ravan had, or brothers how many he had, and what was the relation with Mandodari and other lot of new characters in it. So it's very layered, very huge world of Ravan. So I keep getting to know things about
People should
Ravan.
know about it. I mean, most of us don't know what
Don't
it
know.
is exactly.
People don't know about him.
Yeah.
So like in this particular season, what we are coming up with is basically Hanumanji is fighting with Kumbhakarna and Ravan's son, and what impact it causes on Ravan. So it's very emotionally draining and yet entertaining because Hanumanji is fighting with Kumbhakarna also. It's fun also.
Wish you best of luck for your
Thank
future
you,
endeavor,
thank you,
and
Hitesh.
thank you so much.
Thank
It was
you. All
pleasure
the
talking to
best.
you. Thank you.
All the best, and I'll see you soon.
Thank you.